नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are on the fourth part of real numbers, 9th standard SSC Maths 1. Up to now we have studied about the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. And in third part we have studied the properties of irrational numbers. That addition of rational number with irrational number is always irrational number. Then we have studied multiplication or division of rational number or irrational number by rational number is irrational number, and multiple or division of irrational number and irrational number may be rational or irrational. That we have studied. Now by using that we are going to do practice set 2.2. Practice set 2.2. Okay. They have asked the first question. Show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. अब हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये irrational number है. Now in like geometry we are going to make use of indirect method. So solution, let or consider let 4 root 3 be a rational number. In form of a upon b. Therefore, I can write 4 upon 2 is equal to a upon b, and b is not equal to 0. You got it? Now, therefore, I can write root 2 is equal to a upon 4b. Correct? As a upon b is a rational number, therefore a upon 4b is also rational number, as 4 is a integer. Is it right? As 4 is a integer. So what I can write then? A upon 4b, right hand side, is equal to a upon 4b is a rational number, but left hand side, root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so this contradicts na, left hand side alag hai, right hand side alag hai. Okay, see, left hand side is this is, and this is a contradictory. This is an contradictory. Yeah, it is not possible. Hence, our consideration is wrong. Therefore, 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Once again, they have asked to show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Let 4 root 2 be a rational number in form of what? A upon b, where b is not equal to 0. Ultimately, a upon root 2 is equal to a upon b. Root 2 will be what? A upon 4b. A upon b is a rational number. Therefore, a upon 4b is also a rational number because 4 is an integer. 4 से integer से rational number को divide करेंगे तो that will remain as a. Therefore, right hand side a upon 4 is a rational number. ये क्या है, रैशनल नंबर है, बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड √2 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर। ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जगह एक रैशनल है उसकी वैल्यू एग्जैक्टली इरेशनल है। दिस इज एन कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी, हेंस आवर कंसीडरेशन इज रॉन्ग। देयरफॉर √2 is an irrational number. Please copy down it properly because अभी ये भी कुछ चीजें थोड़ी-थोड़ी हम लोग स्टडी कर रहे हैं। We have studied in geometry, now we are going to study the same thing in other words in algebra also. Copy down it properly. Prove that 3 plus √5 is an irrational number. Irrational number ये prove करना है। Okay. Again, we are going to make use of what indirect method, how we did in the first question. So let consider or let 3 plus √5 be an irrational number in form of P upon Q, where P belongs to integer and Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, 3 plus √5 is equal to P upon Q. Okay. Now, what I am going to do, subtract 3 from both the sides. We are going to subtract 3 from both the sides. So 3 plus √5 minus P. P upon minus Q is what? So 3 get cancelled, and we are getting √5 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. As P upon Q is an irrational number, and 3 is an integer. Therefore, what I can write then, P upon Q minus 3 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Therefore, what I can write then, a right hand side that is equal to P minus Q minus 3 is a rational number. Left hand side √5 is an irrational number. This is contradictory. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus √5 is an irrational number. I'll do one thing. I'll explain it once again. It is like a previous question only. 3 plus √5. We have to prove that it is an irrational number. 3 plus √5 is an irrational number. Either I will mistake. Is a rational number. Number in form of P upon Q, where P belongs to integer and Q is not equal to 0. तो P upon Q तो rational number है. हमने क्या किया, 3 plus √5 is equal to P upon 2, rational number. Subtract, यहाँ +3 है तो subtracting 3 from both the side. या directly you can do, you can transfer the 3 on that side. तो 3 cancel हो गया. √5 is equal to P minus Q minus P upon Q minus 3. But P upon Q is a rational number and 3 is an integer. So ultimately P upon Q minus 3 is a rational number. तो left hand side क्या हो गया, is a rational number and left hand side is √5. It is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. This is an contradictory. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus √5 is an irrational number. See, I made a mistake over here. It was an irrational number. I have written irrational, but I have written what? Rational. Rational लिखना चाहिए तो वहां पे irrational लिखा. वापस एक बार, हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? ये irrational है, तो मैंने क्या किया? नहीं, वो rational है. उल्टा कंसीडर करते हैं ना हम लोग. In form of what? P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, P and Q. P and Q क्या है? Q and P are what? Belong to integers. 3 plus root 5 is equal to P upon Q. Subtracting 3 from both the sides, so we got root 5 P minus Q of minus 3 P upon Q तो rational है. ये इंटीजर है, पूरा टर्म ही रैशनल हो जाएगा. राइट हैंड साइड रैशनल है, बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रूट 5 it is irrational. This is an contradictory, hence our assumption is wrong. 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now, third question, represent root 5 and root 2 on a number line. मैं एक काम करता हूं, I am going to draw a rough figure. इसको हम लोग एनालिटिकल फिगर बोलेंगे. Draw a number line by taking 2 centimeter as 1 unit. So I am going to draw a rough. This is a rough figure we are going to draw. ये नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. Here I'll take O, P, Q, R. Is it right? The distance between these should be how much? 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. Then draw QA perpendicular to number line. QA. Okay. So QA के ऊपर हमने क्या करेंगे? एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. And take point A on it such that let QA is equal to 1 unit. Means कितना लेना है आपके वापस? 2 सेंटीमीटर मतलब 1 unit. This will be 1 unit and this will be 2 units. You got it? So we are going to draw now in triangle AQO. In triangle AQO, we can write measure of angle AQO is equal to 90 degree. So OA square is equal to OQ square plus AQ square by Pythagoras theorem. By what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, have you understood this? And OA square is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. This much is 2. This one is 1. So OA square is equal to 4 plus 1. OA is equal to 5 taking square root. I get OA is equal to root 5. Draw an arc. By taking OA as a radius which cut number line at say K. So what are you going to do? You are going to take OA as a line and you cut an arc. इस तरह से arc cut करो. It is cutting at point K and the value of this k is, this one is actually root 5. Have you understood this? Okay, see once again, we are going to take, this is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and this 3, and this value will be what? Root. This I can take it as k down, and here I will write root 5. Okay, so same way we are going to write for the root 10. If you want to leave that much place, you can leave. Okay, and we'll draw a now real figure. How we are going to do? We are going to take, you are going to draw a line. On that line, what you are going to take? Say this is O. This is so this is the number line, and I am going to take this as a 1. This is 2, this is 3. Okay, so this is point O, P, Q and R, and it will be better if you are taking, here we can write scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. If you are writing, it will be more scientifically हम लोग जाएंगे, proper जाएंगे. Okay, see this is there. फिर आपको क्या करना है, इस जगह पे with help of protractor you can draw a perpendicular. सेट स्क्वायर से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं आप लोग. सेट स्क्वायर या प्रोट्रैक्टर लेके कितना लेना है? 90 डिग्री. फिर आपको उसके ऊपर एक ही यूनिट का डिस्टेंस लेना है. दिस इज ऑफ 1 यूनिट. ओके, एंड वंस यू गॉट दैट, यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ दिस. This is A. So what you are going to do? You are going to take this much distance and cut an arc. इस तरह से आप कटोगे by taking this much distance and cut it. This is point K. This will be 1, 2, 3, and this is root 5. This is the way we are going to represent root 5 on a number line. You got it? Do one thing. You copy down it properly. Students, I'll explain it once again. We are going to represent what? Root 5 and root 10 on a number line. Draw a number line by taking 2 centimeter as a 1 unit. And मैंने क्या किया? एक लाइन ड्रॉ की जिसमें O का कोऑर्डिनेट है 0, P का 1, Q का 2, 3 लाइक दैट. और इसमें का डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए? 2 सेंटीमीटर. आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा. फिर ड्रॉ PT परपेंडिकुलर टू नंबर लाइन. टेक पॉइंट A on it such that लेंथ QA का कितना होना चाहिए? 1 यूनिट में हम लोग 2 सेंटीमीटर लेके कट करेंगे. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल AQO, measure of angle AQA is what? 90 degree, because AQ is perpendicular to number line. Then I can apply Pythagoras theorem. I got OA is equal to OA square is equal to 5. Taking square root, OA is equal to root 5. So by taking this much as a radius, that is root 5, we can cut an arc which taken an OA as radius, which cut the number line at point K, and number coordinate of point K is equal to root 5. Coordinate of point K is root 5. They may in board your school examination, they will either ask you 5 or they will ask 10. So you do one thing, we will not separately. And if they ask both the things, you do the same way what we did. Okay, copy down it properly now. See, now you are going to draw root 10 on a natural number, on a number line. Draw a number line by taking 2 centimeter as what? 1 unit. And if I draw a rough figure, in this rough figure, we are going to take the points like this is O, this is O, P, Q, R. This one is 0, 1, 2 and 3. I made a mistake. Actually it should be O, P, Q and R. And number one 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? This is a number line which is a rough figure. Okay. Now length OR is equal to 3 units. Okay. Draw a ray perpendicular. रे का नाम देते हैं O से RB. Perpendicular to number line. Perpendicular to number line. And take point B on it such that length RB is equal to 1 unit. So I am going to draw a perpendicular at R, correct? And take a point B on it such that RB is equal to how much? RB is equal to 1 unit. And you are going to draw OB. Okay. Now in triangle ORB, measure of angle ORB is equal to 90 degree. We can write by construction, or if you are not writing, it's okay. We can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is OB square is equal to OR square plus RB square. This is 3. OR square plus RB square. So OB square is equal to, OR is nothing but 3 square plus 1 square. OB square is equal to 9 plus 1. OB square is equal to 10. Taking square root, what I'll get? OB is equal to root 10. So draw an arc with center O and radius OB, which cut number line at say T. Therefore, what will be coordinate of point T will be root 10. Okay, this way if you are doing, I think they will not cut you a single mark. We are going to do in this way only. Okay, so what you are going to do is draw a number line. Take a points like 1. This is actually 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can take it as P, O, Q and R. With help of protractor, we are going to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular करने के बाद यहाँ 2 सेंटी मतलब आपके लिए 1 यूनिट हो जाएगा. This will be 1 unit and this will be actually a 3 units. And we are going to draw a, this is OB, this is your R is equal to root 10. And this, by taking O as a center and OB as a R, if I cut an arc, this is the point T, whose coordinate is root 10. This is the way we are going to draw it. So, most probably in examination, either they'll ask root 5 or root 10. And if they ask both the things, but I think you should write for both the in same way. पहला वो ड्रॉ करो जैसे हमने किया वैसे ही √5 और √10 अलग अलग से ड्रॉ करो, you'll get the marks. Okay, see here now. When you want to draw √10, analytical figure means rough figure. Draw a number line by directly 2 cm 1 unit. Then what I did, we have drawn an analytical figure means rough figure. On a rough figure, यहाँ पे OR कितना रहेगा 3 units. यहाँ पे कैपिटल ड्रॉ करना है RB, and you are going to take 1 unit over here. Okay. Then in triangle ORB, R angle is 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. We got OB square is equal to 3 square plus 1 square, 9 plus 1, that is 10. And when I am taking a square root, we are going to take what? Square root. What we got? OB is equal to √10. Draw an arc with center O and radius OB and cut the number line at point T. तो coordinate of T क्या रहेगा? 10. तो मैंने क्या किया, एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी, ये 2-2 सेंटीमीटर पे ये एक यूनिट 1 2 3 ऐसे लिख दिया, मतलब ये हो गया 1 यूनिट 2 यूनिट 3 यूनिट्स, बट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम विल बी 2 सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज़ वी हैव टेकन 2 सेंटीमीटर एज अ 1 यूनिट. हियर आल्सो भी 2 सेंटीमीटर सो 1 यूनिट. वी अप्लाई द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. अब जब मैं कट करूंगा, जहां पे भी कट होगा दैट इज पॉइंट टी, उसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या रहेगा? √10. प्लीज ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा, लास्ट ईयर आल्सो वी डिड इट, बट ये अभी अच्छी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करो बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. कवर डाउन इट प्रॉपर्ली बाय पॉजिंग द वीडियो. इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टूड, रिवाइंड द वीडियो, वापस एक बार वीडियो देखो, और कुछ डाउट रहे इन अ डाउट क्लियरिंग लेक्चर वी क्लियर इट, बट द थिंग इज नाउ वी डू इट. Now, fourth question, last question of this practice set. Write any 3 rational numbers between the 2 numbers given below. अभी याद रखना है कि तुम लोगों को 0.3 है. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में टेक सोल्यूशन. ये 0.3 है और 0.5 है. इन बिटवीन 0.3 एंड 0.5 के बीच में बहुत सारे रैशनल नंबर्स रहेंगे. लाइक 0.3 को मैं 0.30 भी लिख सकता हूं और 0.5 को मैं 0.50 भी लिख सकता हूं. इनके बीच में कौन सा और रैशनल नंबर आएगा? 0.4 हो सकता है, 0.35 हो सकता है, 0.33 हो सकता है, 0.45 हो सकता है, 0.46 हो सकता है, 0.467 हो सकता है. There are numerous number, or you can say what unlimited numbers are there between these two. जिसके लिए कोई नहीं है, बहुत नंबर्स होते हैं between any two rational numbers. So see 0.3 का मतलब 0.30 और 0.5 plus 0.50. उसके बीच में और नंबर कौन सा होता है? 0.35 भी हो सकता है, 0.45 हो सकता है, 0.33 हो सकता है, 0.06 होता है और 0.67 भी हो सकता है. There are unlimited number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay? तो हमें ऐसे खाली 3 ही बताने हैं कौन से रहेंगे. Okay? I'll give the one more example. See, दूसरा एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया है? -2.3 है एंड -2.33 है. मतलब -2.30 हो सकता है, -2.33. अभी दोनों के बीच में क्या और कौन सा रैशनल नंबर हो सकता है? -2.31, -2.32, -2. इसके बाद में भी इन दोनों के बीच में भी क्या हो सकता है? -2.35. गॉट इट? और सॉरी 305. या फिर इसके बाद क्या हो सकता है? -2.315. So there are unlimited number of rational numbers are between any two given numbers. तो अगर ये फ्यूचर में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि कोई भी नंबर निकालो, रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू, तो उसके लिए हम लोग किस तरह से करेंगे? देखो अभी सोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट. ओके, 0.3 and 0.5 इसके बीच में से हमें any three, they have given the meaning any three, और बोलते नहीं only three, तो होता है कि 3 नंबर है, बट देयर आर अनलिमिटेड, बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं बिटवीन दीस टू. ओके, तो व्हाट आई डू, रैशनल नंबर between 0.3 and 0.5 is equal to half of 0.3 plus 0.5. हाफ करेंगे तो बेस्ट वे निकलेगा, हाफ इंटू 0.8, so I am getting 0.4. You got a first number as what, 0.4. अब क्या हो गया, इन दोनों के बीच में और एक नंबर आ गया 0.3 and 0.4. Now what I'm going to do is the rational number between 0.3 and 0.4 is equal to half into 0.3 plus 0.4. So what I am getting, half into 0.7, that is 0.35. The second number we got. Now we can do one thing, 0.4 और 0.35 के बीच में भी नंबर निकाल सकते हैं, 0.3 और 0.35 के बीच में भी नंबर निकाल सकते हैं. तो we'll do one thing, rational number between 3 and 0.35 is equal to half into 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.35. So what I am getting is that is equal to half into 0.65. That is equal to 0.3, 2 3s are 6, 75. So we can write what? The rational number, 3 rational numbers between 0.3 and 0.5 are, first one is this, 0.4, 0.35, 0.375, ये करके आप लोग, बट नॉट नेसेसरी कि जो विवेक सर का आंसर आया आपका भी वही आंसर आना चाहिए, कोई जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज सी व्हाट आई डिड, आई फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट फॉर बिटवीन दिस, तो सबका आंसर तो सेम आएगा 0.4. मैं 0.4 और 0.5 के बीच में भी निकाल सकता हूँ, 0.45. मैंने क्या किया, 0.3 और 0.45 के बीच में निकाला. अब मैं क्या कर सकता, 0.4 इनके दोनों के बीच, बट मैंने क्या निकाला, ये इसके पहले नंबर है ना 0.35, इन दोनों के बीच में वापस निकाला. सो देयर विल बी डिफरेंट आंसर फॉर डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स. तो इट मेक नो डिफरेंस कि आपका आंसर अलग आ रहा है, आपके फ्रेंड का आंसर अलग आ रहा है या आपके टीचर का आंसर अलग. There are unlimited number of rational numbers are between any two numbers, but this is the way you can find out any three of this, and I think you understood it. So copy down it properly by pausing the video. Okay. Now on the second question of question number 4, that is minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Or you can write first a rational number, or rational number is actually better. Rational number between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33 is equal to half into minus 2.3 plus minus 2.33 divided by 2 minus 2.3 minus 2.33. I am getting half into minus 6.3, that is equal to minus 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 5. Have you look at this? Then rational number between 2.3 and minus 1.315 is equal to half into minus 2.3 plus minus 1.315. Okay. The rational number between minus 2.3 and minus 1.315 is equal to minus of, correct now, minus of minus 2.3 minus 1.315, that is equal to half into 516 and become minus 3.615. That is equal to half here. If I cut it, minus 2 ones are 2, becomes 16. 2 8s are 0 7. Got it? Have you understood? 0 7 5. Now what I can do is a rational number between, we'll do one thing. अब ये थोड़ा सा और बढ़ते जा रहा है, तो I will find out. Just see, इन दोनों के बीच में नंबर कौन सा है? minus 1.315 है ना. अब इन दोनों के बीच वाला नंबर is this one. अब इन दोनों के बीच वाला निकाल लेते हैं. Between minus 1.315 and minus 2.33 is equal to half into, in bracket, minus 1.315 plus minus 2.33. That is equal to half into minus 1.315 minus 2.33. That is equal to half into 5, 4, 6, 3 minus 316. That is equal to minus 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16, then 2s are 4, 7, 5. So these are the three numbers we got. Correct? So rational number between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33 are minus 1.33315, or this will come first. If you want to write in order manner, this will come first. लिखना है तुम लोग को. Then minus 31. Rational numbers between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33 are, you can write first number is this, better, minus 1.75. Then you can write this minus 1.315. Then you can write this minus 1.8275. So these are the numbers, or many numbers are possible. So not required to keep them order में जाना है. Just copy down it properly. Or if you are doing your own, your answer may be different, but it will be right only. Okay, copy down it. 5.2 and 5.3. So rational number between 5.2 and 5.3 is equal to 1/2. 5.2 plus 5.3 is equal to half into 10.5 is equal to half into, suppose if I cut it, 2 5s are 10, then rational number between 5.2 and 5.25 is equal to half into 5.2 plus 5.25, that is a half into 5, 4 and 10. It becomes 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 5. Then I can write a rational number between 5.2 and 5.225 is equal to half into 5.2 plus 5.225 is equal to half into 5, 2, 4 and 10. I'll get half. What is that? 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are. So these are the three numbers, right? So we start from here, 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 and here. So rational number between 5.2 and 5.3 are, I can write 5.215, 2125, then 5.225 and 5.25. This way you are going to write it. It will help you. Just do one thing. Pause the video and copy down it properly. Okay. Fourth question of this, question number 4, and the last question of our part number 4 also. So minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. So to find out the number between them, I will divide it by 2. Minus 4.6 divided by 2. So minus 2 into minus 4.5 plus minus 4.6 and close this. That is equal to half in bracket minus 4.5 minus 4.6. So half into this becomes 1 and it is 9 minus 9.1. So what we are getting is, if I divide it, 2 4s are 8, 8 रह गया, 11 हो गया, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So this is the first rational number between minus 4.5 minus 4.6. Now the rational number between, we'll find out between this minus 4 minus 4.55, minus 4 and minus 4.55 is equal to half into minus 4.5 plus minus 4.55, close the bracket, half into minus 4.5 minus 4.55, that is equal to half in bracket 5, 0 and 9. If I divide it, I will get what? Half, that is minus 2 4s are 8, ये बन गया 10, 2 5. You got it? This is the second number. I can do one thing, I can find out between this and this will be better. So rational number between minus 4.55 and minus 4.6 is equal to half into minus 4.55 plus minus 4.6. Half in bracket minus 4.55 minus 4.6. So what I'll get? 5, 1 and 9. So half into, sorry, I made a mistake, 5, 9.15. So if I divide it, I get minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 7 5. So rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6 are this will be the first number. If you arrange it in proper way, that after that will be there, and this will be there, minus 4.575. But not necessarily that you are going to write in order wise manner only. You have to write any three numbers, and I told that there are many numbers, but you are going to write any three of them. So students, we are going to stop here for the part number 4 of your real numbers, and we will continue in the next part. Thank you students. Copy down it properly. First try to understand the concept and you continue. Okay, thank you.